The battle between Samsung and Apple continues in 2022 as both companies continue to release high-quality products. With both companies now releasing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus and iPad Pro 2022, there are questions about who has the most powerful processor, unique displays, and superb camera qualities. Join us in this video and let's talk Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus versus Apple iPad Pro 2022. Which one is worth it? Let's begin. Design. Several leaks have suggested that the iPad Pro 2022 will not have a much different design from the 2021 version of the iPad Pro. If this is true, we expect the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, which weighs 1.25 pounds with a dimension of 11.22 by 7.28 by 0.22 inches, to be about 20% lighter than the iPad Pro 2022. The iPad Pro 2022 might be 1.5 pounds heavy with a dimension of 11.05 by 8.46 by 0.25 inches. The iPad Pro, however, might come with a wireless charging system due to Apple's plan to redesign the aluminum cases with a glass cover. We will soon talk about this in depth. Stay tuned. Apple's iPad Pro will likely maintain the Face ID feature that quickly unlocks the device compared to the Tab S8 Plus. Yes, the S8 has a Face ID security system, but it is not as secure as Apple's iPad Pro. So, if your primary concern is security, I recommend the iPad Pro. Display. Suppose the rumors about the iPad Pro 2022 maintaining the same design are accurate, then we expect the display screen to be no different from the 2021 iPad Pro. The Tab S8 has a 12.4 inches display with a resolution of 1752 by 2800 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, an AMOLED display, which creates nice contrast, and 266 pixels per inch (ppi), as compared to the 2021 iPad Pro's 12.9 inches with a resolution of 2048 by 2732 pixels, same 120Hz refresh rate, and a 264 ppi. The 2022 iPad Pro is expected to maintain the current mini LED display. The iPad Pro has a larger screen, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus will be better if you're into movies. However, if you love connecting with friends abroad through video calls, then I think you need to know which of the two has the best camera quality. Stay tuned, you'll soon know. Talking about family, please subscribe to our channels to join our fantastic family, and you'll never miss any updates about Samsung and Apple. Let's continue. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 has an aspect ratio of 16:10, which is better suited for watching video content than the 4:3 aspect ratio of the iPad Pro. However, this might not be the case with the 2022 iPad Pro. Several rumors suggest it might come with a 14.1 inches display screen. An example is a report from DSCC analyst Ross Young. He confirmed that the 14.1 inches iPad Pro is being developed and will have mini LEDs and ProMotion features. Another report states that Apple is developing a new 14.1-inch iPad M2 with 512GB and 16GB of base memory. Camera. Again, we will take clues from the iPad Pro 2021's camera. Both Tab S8 Plus and iPad Pro have outstanding camera qualities. They both have a 12-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera. The iPad Pro is capable of recording up to 1080p 30fps, while the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus can go up to 4K 60fps. Tab S8 Plus's rear camera has a 13-megapixel wide and 6-megapixel ultra-wide camera, while the iPad Pro has a 12-megapixel wide and 10-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The positioning of the front cameras makes the difference. When on a video call, the positioning of the Tab S8 Plus camera will better capture your face and will appear as if you're actually looking at the face of the person you're talking to. Performance. Performance-wise, I think the iPad Pro 2022 will have the upper hand. Again, we take clues from the 2021 iPad Pro, but this time there might be a more powerful M2 chipset according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman. According to Johnny Srouji, Apple's Senior Vice President of Hardware Technologies, the M2 chip will enable more intensive tasks using relatively less power. The Tab S8 Plus, however, is powered by Samsung's 8 Gen 1 with 128GB and 256GB options, both with 8GB RAM. It also has 256GB and 512GB storage options with 12GB RAM and 16GB RAM respectively. In addition, it has an SD card slot that can be used to expand your storage further. Just like the 2021 iPad Pro, the 2022 version might come with 128GB, 256GB and 512GB options, all with 8GB RAM. It might also have 1TB storage space with 16GB RAM and 2TB with 16GB RAM. Battery and charging. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is powered by a 10,090 mAh non-removable battery with a 45-watt fast charging feature. There have not been any leaks about the 2022 iPad Pro's battery, but as an update of the 2021 version, it might come with a more robust battery. What we know is that the upcoming iPad Pro might come with reverse and wireless charging options. This is because Apple is considering remodeling the iPad Pro's aluminum cover with a glass cover. This would enable both wireless charging and reverse charging. Other leaks suggest Apple might replace only the Apple logo at the back with a glass design, not the whole back. Whichever design works, I think the wireless and reverse charging options will be a considerable upgrade. Tab 8 Plus or iPad Pro 2022. Knowing which of the two is worth your money will depend on what you plan to do with the device. While the iPad Pro might offer better battery quality and performance, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus might have better camera quality and display qualities. However, you need to consider their prices. Apple's iPad Pro 2022 is projected to cost not less than $1,000. You might still have to buy the device's pencil, which cost around $129. Which of them wins your interest? Please share it with us in the comment section. Click the link to watch our comparison on the Apple MacBook Pro 2022 versus Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro, the undisputed. See you in the next video.